Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to combine and merge cells in one big cell. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Sheets, and then you just have to select that particular sheet in which you want to combine the cells. So in order to combine the cells, you first have to select the cell range. So after selecting the cell range, you will be able to see various types of options that are now enabled in the top. So among these options, this is our merge cells option. So if you click on the merge cells option, it will ask you whether you want to merge this cell. So you just have to click on the OK button, and now you will see that this cell is now merged successfully, and now it is a big cell that we have. Now here, if you want to add any other merging formatting into it, then you just have to click on this little drop arrow button right next to the merge cells option, and here you will be able to see the unmerge option. So if you want to unmerge it, then you just have to click on the unmerge option, and now you will notice that the unmerging is now successful. Similarly, if you want to select the range, and then if you click on this drop arrow button, and if you want to merge horizontally, then you need to select merge horizontally option, and then you need to click on the OK button, and then it will merge your cells in the horizontal manner. So this way you will be able to combine or merge cells in Google Spreadsheets. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.